There are a few Git-based online services. They tend to work in a similar way, so I'll use GitHub as an example for all of them. What I'll tell you about GitHub is also true for other services like GitLab and Bitbucket. GitHub is such a popular tool these days because it's useful in many ways. The first and most obvious is its hosting service. For example, here is my GitHub homepage. Let's say that I need a Git repository for a new project. I click here, I give a name to my project, and boom, I have a Git repository in the cloud. And I can clone this repository to my computer. This is a public repository that GitHub gives me for free. If I want a private repo, for example for commercial code that shouldn't be visible to everybody on the internet, then it depends on the service. Some services also make that free with some limitations. Others require me to pay for it, your standard hosting service policy stuff. GitHub also provides project management tools like issue tracking. So here is a popular open source project and there is an issues tab here. This project has plenty of issues, and here anybody from inside the project or even a user of the project can open an issue, and people can discuss these issues. And GitHub gives you the means to connect this discussion to the project's history. For example, you can refer to a specific commit. And it gives you many tools like this to track issues, to integrate with external services, for example, build machines, code metrics systems, and so on. In fact, these communication features in GitHub are so powerful that you can almost describe it as a social network, only centered on code more than people. If you look at my GitHub homepage, you can see that these here are my friends or colleagues, and these are their activities, contributions to projects, discussion they're having, and so on. So GitHub is a repository hosting service, a set of project management tools, and even somehow a social network that focuses discussions around projects and code. And those are all reasons why it's popular. But the most important reason why people use GitHub is that it builds upon Git to give you a specific workflow for collaborating on software projects. That workflow is even more important to many projects than the hosting and issue tracking and integrations. Let's talk about it.